With this video, I want to start showing you the business plan for the Grout cleaning solution, the bottle for that company 2 years out. We've gone through the business plan for this company in the planning stages. I've shown you the struggles, the growth, what's in the future, and now let's look at the business plan for it. A lot of things in the business plan are very similar or the same, and we'll skip through that. So the executive summary, I don't need to spend a lot of time in this. I'll bore you if I do because you understand the business. The product line, you understand now. They've got the Grout Ease main product. You can say this is the flagship product. They have the brush that they're selling. They have a grout sealant that if you put the sealant over the cleaned area, it will keep it cleaner longer. And the Stone Ease is for special tiles that are out of stone. And in research and development are pet stain removers. So essentially we got like a 5-product company instead of just the one main product, or the brush you can count however you like, but they've got a lot of products now. And the progress, you're very well aware of the progress. I don't need to tell you what the progress is. We've been covering that. The target market is something that exactly the same as what we've covered in the business plan before this has started. That hasn't changed. The market size, we counted it originally pretty accurately. Nothing is too different there. So we're going to skip over that because the market size for this company now versus the market size for when it started is almost entirely the same. It's a little bit bigger on Amazon because this company has expanded the market size on Amazon, but compared to the overall size of the market, that is a relatively small number. So it's still a $100 million market, and competition is still relatively the same competition. Still the same products, the same ways people clean grout. So that's not very different. The marketing plan is worth focusing on because, well, what are we going to do now? You know that they're going to start putting the product into the brick and mortar stores. Customer support has proven to be much more of a marketing strategy than we even originally thought. We knew it was going to be big in the beginning, but that Facebook community has been so beneficial to this company because they have so many happy clients who buy again, who leave good reviews on Amazon. That initial client base, that's the super fans, super users, they recommend this product, they leave good reviews, and guess what? When this company launches new products, those are going to be the first people to buy it. They're going to be the first people to review it. So they've got this fan group that they're going to be able to use over and over. So the customer support has been tremendous as a marketing strategy. And this company now has more money to run different kinds of ads and take a little bit of risks. And this company can now even outsource the SEO because on their own internal with in-house skills that they couldn't really do well on Google search, they can hire for. So that might work as well. So new strategies are opening up and this company will focus on them moving forward. The team, you see that in the beginning it was just the founder, Jeff White. Now he's got some of his family members and some more freelancers helping him with customer support, running different kinds of ads on Google, on Amazon, things like this, so he can hire some staff. It's still not a big company, but just a few extra people really help a lot to take the workload off and to brainstorm things. So that's really good. With the SWOT analysis, we'll cover that in the next video because we have a new set of strengths and weaknesses and opportunities, all that. So we'll just talk about in the next video.